Hi there, it's Sandy from the Virtual Studio here with a tip on how to sharpen your blending stumps and care for them. There's a little blending stump sharpener, which is basically some sandpaper on a little handle. I prefer this to actually having sandpaper around so that I can tuck this thing away. But you just rub the end of your dirty and dull blending stump onto the sandpaper. You go back and forth a bunch of times. It depends on how dirty it is and how sharp you want to get it. And it'll get a little bit of fuzz on the outside, so you clean it off a little bit from time to time. And when you're all done, though, you're going to get a fairly decent point. This also cleans off excess pencil. So if you have a lot of pigment, you have one that's really turned black, and you need to make it so that it doesn't transfer all that black color onto other things, you can certainly do this to clean that off as well. And you'll end up with a nice, restored, clean, sharp blending stump all over again. And then you can also do the same thing with other ones. Now, sometimes you're going to get one that's either because of the manufacturer of it or because of the size of it. This one's really tiny. You can end up getting little fuzzies on the end of it. And I just kind of go around and cut them off, sharpen it again, cut them off a little again if I need to in order to make a nice point on it. And you can easily restore one like this all over again, the same as you can with the big ones. I hope this little tip was helpful to those of you who are colored pencil artists. This was another little video brought to you by the Virtual Studio free class, link in the doobly-doo. See you again soon.